Um, this is our product analysis from Matthew. We did a Nerf gun. This is some pictures of like it when it was all put together. These are the pictures that we took as we were taking the pieces apart. So it gradually gets more taken apart. This is all the pieces laid out next to each other after it was all taken apart. The function is shooting Nerf bullets. The operating procedure is loading the Nerf bullets into the barrel, again, loading, aiming, pressing the trigger to release the bullets. The operating environment is everywhere, anytime. The cost was about $11 on eBay we found. Yeah, it was like $10.94 or something like that. It's manufactured in a factory in Rhode Island, and its product life cycle is it's manufactured, distributed to the stores, sold. When the customer is done with the toy, they can pass it on or recycle it, and then it starts again.
These are the drawings. The barrel and the spring were the two like main ones, and then these are drawings of the other parts.
These are the tests we did. The barrel continuity test was no. The metal test was no. We had a mass of 68.6 grams and a volume was 68.6 milliliters, so the density was 1. The surface area was 27.5 inches squared, and the hand flex test was no. For the spring, the continuity test was yes, the ferrous metal test was yes. It had a mass of 7.2 grams and a volume of 1 milliliter, so the density was 7.2. The surface area was about 4.7 inches squared, and the hand flex test was no. These are the high properties for the barrel on shape, and this is the multi-view of the barrel. These are the eye properties for the spring on shape, and this is the multi-view. Manufacturing process, the material is ejected at high pressure into a mold, and the plastics machine would use the probably short shards of material machining hard plastic Nerf gun is made, and assembled painting powder, dry powder applied to the surface, which is thicker than the paint. Recyclability, the shell and guts are not recyclable. The other parts, such as the metal or silicone pieces, are recyclable. That's it.
Did you want to say anything, Phoebe?
Well, now there's nothing to say, so.
It's kind of supposed to be a dual presentation, so
Who gets all the credit?
nothing else to say, or
This is cool.
you're kind of supposed to split that up. Which part did you do?
I mainly did the drawings, and then I also did the like last half of the slides, and I did the testing for the barrel too.
Okay.